very obvious that there is no wind, but when you are in it, you don't feel comfortable. Normally we should have 5 to 6 knots, and we have nothing right now, so I have to be patient.
Do you have any information from a 7 o'clock position report?
Study walk 32.1, Earth 32.4.
Looking very difficult for any opportunities to arise for us to get back into that lead group again. We've got to make sure we stay ahead of this group. A lot of work to do yet.
There is a big gap between the 3 first and us. I think the situation is a bit complicated, so we may come back on maybe the third one. The first one is far away, I think. The first goal is to be the first of the group of 4 we are now. So we are going to fight for that. Things may change again, so we have to keep going fast and try to stay ahead of this guy.
Leg 1. This is it. This is the start of the Volvo Ocean Race. Obviously everyone's tired. It's been really, really intense over the last couple of days. Everyone's giving it their everything, and you know, if you're in the middle of your off watch and you get pulled up on deck, then everyone's there instantly. Just, you know, anything we can do to make the boat go faster and to gain a few miles on the fleet behind us and on the couple of boats in front of us.